3:30 a.m. I'm all packed up. I'm ready to go. Trevolution begins. I'm heading up to Cape York, the very tip of Australia. This is my first stop here on that Granite Creek rest stop. I'm just making myself a bit of brekkie. I'm starving. Bacon egg sandwich, a bit of cheese on it, some orange juice. Not too shabby. I'm just going through a little town called Baroran. Yeah, I've just decided I'm gonna stop in at Rockhampton and go and buy an Akubra hat. I'm gonna have to have an Akubra hat. I told you I wanted to get an Akubra hat, and I'm here at this place called Hillbrons, Rockhampton. That's where I went and I got it, the old Akubra. Proper done country boy Trev now. I just saw this place. I was on Google Maps and it just took me to this place called Clearview. It looks like it's the coast, so I'm gonna send the drone up and have a quick look. Well, that was a neat little spot over there. Very, very busy, and I'm starting to suspect it's going to be the case all the way up the coast. Yeah, because of COVID and travel restrictions and all that sort of jazz, I can only imagine people will be out and about in their own spots, and who's to blame them? I'm going to stop in at Carmilla and fuel up. I just filled up here at the Carmilla service station, and it's 143.86. Anyway, I found a better spot. It's called Notch Point, and it's a free camping spot. It's accessed by 4-wheel drive only, and it's epic. It's now 3 p.m, so hopefully I'll be there within 40 minutes, I believe, the map said, and I can get set up, put this video together, and take a few photos or something. I'm pretty much parked on the side of a cliff here, but you know, that's okay, because you don't need to worry. If you want to level it up, use your label on your beer and then just use your high lift jack and just push it up. Done. Okay, this is too good not to share. I've got here just in time. I've set up camp. I've even got dinner ready. This place is called Notch Point. It's just southeast of Mackay. Today I've done about 800k. I left at 3:45 this morning. Glad I got such a beautiful spot to start off my trip. It's amazing. Look at it. I've got a beautiful bit of rump steak defrosting here. I've already got my pasta. I've got Alfredo tonight. Salt and pepper and an egg. A beer. Mate, I'm fully loaded. I got snacks and supplies. I decided I was going to Cape York on Monday. This is my first stop. Good evening. I've just finished breakfast and packing up. What's next? I've had an idea. This is living, mate.